Why are U.S. builders switching to Zhongtuo floor deck equipment? Why more U.S. construction professionals are choosing Zhongtuo floor deck roll forming machines for their metal decking production lines? From Houston, Texas to industrial hubs across America, our advanced forming lines are helping builders boost efficiency, reduce labor costs, and achieve greater precision in steel deck fabrication. Zhongtuo floor deck roll forming machine is now fully operational in Houston, USA, becoming a trusted asset in the local construction sector. What sets our system apart? Equipped with hydraulic decoilers, automated stacking, and remote operation systems, Zhongtuo line is designed for high output with minimal human intervention. Thanks to integrated IoT technology, we bring the concept of a dark factory to life, enabling intelligent 24 multiplied by 7 production without manual oversight. One key feature is the CAD to machine integration, allowing users to upload and convert deck drawings remotely. This simplifies setup and slashes production lead time. A built-in auto-oiling system prevents zinc layer damage, a common issue that reduces decking lifespan, while our hydraulic cutting system with blade inserts ensures clean, long-lasting cuts and low maintenance costs. Currently running smoothly on a deck line, Zhongtuo has also installed Composite Deck Making Machine 1.5, Composite Deck 2, Composite Deck 3, Composite Deck across multiple U.S. facilities. These are widely used in commercial buildings, warehousing, and industrial structures. Top builders in the U.S. praise our equipment's durability and the professional, timely after-sales support we offer.
I think this number 10 that I put together is quality much better.
Contact us today to learn more.